In this video, we will learn about the hydrate phase behavior. So this diagram, this image is showing the hydrate phase behavior. Let us discuss about this image. In this image, there are line A, B, C, D, that is known as the hydrate curve. Now look here about the diagram A, B, C, D. This is A. Let me zoom it. This is B. This is C. This is D. So this line, this one is the line A, B, C, D. So this is known as the hydrate curve. So hydrate will exist in the pressure temperature region above the hydrate curve ABCD. Means this is the region where hydrate will form, and below that no hydrate will form. So this is the region where there will be a no hydrate. Now come to the second point. Second point is the HFCI, that is called as the hydrocarbon vapor pressure. So where is the HFCI? If you look here, this is HFCI. So this line tells about the hydrocarbon vapor pressure. So above the vapor pressure curve HFCI, hydrocarbon exists in the liquid state. So here above this one, hydrocarbon in liquid, below hydrocarbon in vapor. So this is about the HFCI. Now there are third one, that is known as the EFG, water freezing curve. Now look here, water freezing curve, EBFG. So this straight line is the water freezing curve. So on the right side, ice will be there. On the left side, water in the liquid phase will be there. So towards the left of the line EFBC, water exists in the solid form. On the right side, water will be in the liquid state. In practice, the region towards the left of the line EBFC will hardly ever be encountered except in extreme positions. So if I say that this position, normally this position is not came in the picture. So all these red color, these are the red color. If suppose I make this red color, means these are the say, if I put this color, these are the regions where no hydrates are formed, and these are the regions that are rarely encountered. So overall we have only one option here, this one. This one is the very common region where the hydrates will form. If I put that color in the green one, this is the region where hydrate is normally formed. If you look here in this region, so now if you concentrate here, so you will find that for that region hydrate curves become vertical at this point. I should put here. So hydrate curves become vertical at this point where it intersects the hydrocarbon vapor pressure curve. This one, this is a very essential. This point is a very important point. This intersection point, this is called the C point, therefore represents the maximum hydrate forming temperature. If you look here, this is the x-axis. If you look here, this is the maximum temperature possible for the hydrate formation. That is a very important information, because with the information of this one, we can get that this is the temperature that is basically possible for the hydrate formation. So with the help of the phase diagram, we can get this information. So this is about basic information of the phase behavior. And now come to the phase behavior of different gases. If you look here, so overall, if you look in the previous one, so if you see here, the curve structure is like this one and this one. Sorry, this should be the maximum value on the x-axis. So this should be this one, like this one and this one. This is a C. If you see here this one and then see this one. So this is the basic phase behavior, and the same is represented in this one, in this figure. This is for the H2S, this is for the CO2, this is for methane, this is for this is for methane, this is for ethane, propane, and butane, isobutane. All these are given here. If you see, the maximum possible temperature for H2S is near about this temperature. Maximum possible temperature of the ethane is near about this temperature. For CO2, methane is much higher as compared to this one. Propane is lesser, and even butane is much lesser as compared to all these informations. So overall, if you look about these different gases, so it show about what are the possibility for the hydrate formation and what are the region for the hydrate formation. So this tells about the different types of the gases for hydrate region for different type of the gases. Thank you.